Hello faggots, today make pizza cake. Pizza cake is the shit. Do you like cake? But you also love pizza? Why not both? I am now your god. I'm going to use lots of shit like olive oil, port wine, brown flour and brown sugar, mozzarella, ham, tomato pulp, ferment, eggs and love, obviously. Behold my technique as I pour olive oil in the pan so shit doesn't stick to the shit. Looks like I like to rub that pan. Now I put flour and then sugar on top. I don't know why. Maybe it makes sense if you don't think about it. We all need sugar in our lives, except women. Bitches are way too fat nowadays. Look at that. That's a lot of sugar. My diabetes is already going nuts. Now I'm showing you a clusterfuck of nutrients. I am going to put my hands in this shit. Can you imagine how messy things are going to get? But first I am going to add 3 eggs. Don't worry, these eggs were legally aborted by their mothers, so they are probably sterile. So yeah, it's not a vegan cake. Then again, I am making a freaking pizza cake. It's impossible to be healthy. Port wine is always a good choice. I put this shit in everything. It is not a pizza without mozzarella cheese. So I am adding it with the flour so I can mix them. Don't worry, I am a professional. I know this stuff can be mixed. I have the technology. Flour needs water. Just like life. There is no life without water. Logically, there is no cake without water. Damn son. Look at that sexy mixture of carbohydrates. To think that all this craziness is just a random coincidence in the infinity of the cosmos, or maybe just an alien computer simulation, makes you think how badly we need to go to the bathroom sometimes. Now I'm adding ferment. This shit makes your cake go big because of gas. Like me after I eat a jar full of beans. Now I am murdering a pack of tomato pulp. It is a key ingredient to make your cake taste like pizza. Don't overdo it though, or else it will taste like weird vinegar. Bleed for me, bitch. Yeah, that's right. All over my hands now. Oh yeah. It feels fresh. All products are fresh, by the way. Don't think you can make a good pizza cake with bullshit products. They have to be all peidoatomico approved. Now I am prepping the other pan. Look at that shit. It's olive oil all over the place. Or as I say in my country,
que azeiteirice do caralho, que para aqui vai.
Basically the olive oil will catch the flour and the flour will stop the cake from sticking to the pan. Basic stuff really. Why am I even explaining this to you? I was expecting you to know this if you have ever done a cake before. There you go. The dough is ready. I am just going to do some finishing touches and then it's as good as done. So, how is your sex life? Oh shit, I forgot to add the ham. I am making a cheese ham pizza cake. Well, I guess I'll just try to mix it as best as I can. What? You expected me to be perfect? My friend, no one is perfect, not even my sexy butt. But hey, you are still watching this video, that means something. Hashtag no homo. It's almost ready. I am just adding the toppings. Beautiful. On the oven you go. Put that baby on 180 or 200 degrees Celsius, of course. Why even ask? Oh, you are from the US. How did you find this video? Never mind. Keep watching, you are almost finished. Then you can go ahead and get your friends jealous with this recipe. You may think I got old from waiting a lot of time for the cake to get cooked. You are actually wrong. Those are not my hands. My grandmother decided to take the cake off the oven because she was afraid her grown-ass grandson would get burned. Isn't she a nice person? Of course she is. Now I am going to taste my masterpiece. Enjoy!
Delicioso! Vou para o Masterchef.